Look at you, you dirty, dirty seagull. I'd like to stick my brush right up your... Welcome to the adventures of one occasionally sober guy on a boat. Welcome to Captain Steve's Old English pub. Cheers! I would just like to say first, I love animals. All types of animals. Dogs, giraffe, elephant, pig, chicken, and others. But there's one animal I absolutely hate. Actually, it's not an animal, it's a bird. The seagull. Look at it. Does one man deserve so much bird shit? The problem is they're protected. You can buy a whole cooked chicken for $10, but if you kill a seagull, the maximum fine is $2,500. $2,500! What can you do? My neighbour has a strange kite thing, but the seagulls have figured that out and now just laugh at it. I'm attaching fishing wire, which is supposed to be a good idea. A little Haitian guy even suggested I could put a voodoo spell on them. They do say you can feed them Alka-Seltzer and they fizz up and explode. Cheers to exploding seagulls! Actually, it doesn't work, or it didn't work when I tried it. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Every day more cleaning. Listen to the noise. All day long, the noise, the noise, the noise. How can I concentrate? Time to climb on the roof. Haha, camera on the head. Brilliant. Now I can work with both hands. Lovely view. Blue sky, sunshine, the sound of water. Look at the mess. Please do me a favour, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It does encourage me, and I do need some encouragement at the moment. Different place, same old shit. So if they're valued at $2,500 each, that means this screw is worth more than all the boats in the marina. I don't know what to do. I've had enough. Let's go find this witch doctor and get him to do some voodoo. Let's go do voodoo. Voodoo. Ooh, voodoo. Ooh. Let's go do some voodoo. So this guy is apparently a genius. He can fix everything. Diseases, illness, marriage problems, haunted houses. He can even fix hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids! Cheers to hemorrhoids! I don't have hemorrhoids. In the Bahamas, voodoo is a controversial subject and illegal, so it's very secretive and underground. I'm waiting for the meeting. I must admit, I'm nervous. I don't know if I'm supposed to bring something to sacrifice. For once, you can be useful. Just joking. If I need a sacrifice, I'll take the dimwit security guard from the Yacht Haven Marina. I arrived at the arranged meeting point and my voodoo witch doctor didn't show up. I feel stupid. I think the Haitians got one on me today. I even paid the guy $100 to set up the meeting. It was the easiest $100 he's earned. Just told me to go and wait at KFC and the witch doctor will arrive in a Nissan Cube. Who drives a Nissan Cube? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, share, hit that little notification bell. That would be absolutely wonderful. I try to upload every week until the beer runs out or we sink. So until next time, take care and cheers. Cheers! Cheers to you!